How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. That's what we'll be talking about today. Also, check out my past video on how to get free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I'll put a link in the video description below for that as well. But today we'll be talking about how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog, all kind of really cool stuff. I have a playlist called the 31-Day Cash App Challenge. There's all kinds of apps on there. Cashback apps, make money watching video apps, earn cash listening to music, free stock apps, free Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, get paid to upload your videos and photos, product reviews, and much, much more. And a lot of these apps also have referral programs. Really cool stuff. So check those playlists out as well. Lots of videos on that stuff. Check it out. But let's get into this. Let's get right into the Bitcoin Cash App situation. Okay, so before we can actually buy Bitcoin on Cash App, you're gonna need to add funds to your account, or if you have funds on your account already, that's cool. But I suggest you go to the home screen here, add your bank account, and then you can transfer funds over to your Cash App, and then you're good to go with the cash. And then you're also gonna have to verify your account to do the Bitcoin thing. I had to put my driver's license in and everything, take a photo, all that stuff, all that fun stuff. And then you want to go to the investing tab right down here, and then you're going to see an option for stocks or Bitcoin. There's your stocks, but then hit the Bitcoin, then go to the buy screen, and then you can purchase a set amount, or you can put your own amount in there. And there is a fee, of course, as well. You just put in your amount that you want to buy, and you're good to go. Same thing for selling Bitcoin. You go here and sell it. Sell it right back, and then transfer it to your bank. Keep it in your Cash App. I have the Cash App debit card, all that stuff, all that fun stuff. So lots of ways to, very easy actually. Not lots of ways. I don't know what I'm talking about. Lots of ways. It's just very simple. All right, so just a quick video today. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. Please do subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog, all kinds of really cool stuff. Check them out. I will talk to you soon.